Hey everyone, if you're getting the Secure Boot or TPM 2.0 error while trying to launch Valorant, don't worry, I've got you covered. This issue is caused by certain security settings in your BIOS that need to be enabled. So in this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to fix it. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. And if this helps, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Step 1. Entering the BIOS. The first thing we need to do is enter your BIOS settings. The easiest way to do this is through Windows Settings. Click the Start menu and open Settings. On the left side, click System and then scroll down to Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now and confirm. Your PC will restart and bring up the Advanced Startup menu. From here, click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Choose UEFI Firmware Settings and click Restart. This will restart your PC directly into the BIOS. If your computer didn't enter the BIOS automatically, you'll have to manually access it by restarting and pressing a key. As soon as it starts booting up, start tapping the BIOS key repeatedly. The BIOS key depends on your motherboard and could be Dell, F2, F10, F12, or ESC. Usually when your PC starts up, it will briefly show which key to press to enter BIOS. If you're not sure, you can search your motherboard model online to find the correct key. Step 3. Enabling Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. Once inside the BIOS, things might look different depending on your motherboard manufacturer. But don't worry, the settings are always under a section like Security, Boot Options, or Advanced Settings. Now let's enable Secure Boot. 1. Navigate to the Security or Boot tab. 2. Look for Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. 3. If it's grayed out, make sure the boot mode is set to UEFI instead of Legacy. Next, we'll enable TPM 2.0 to 1. Still in Security Settings, find an option for TPM, also called PTT on Intel or FTPM on AMD, to enable it and make sure security device support is turned on. If you can't find TPM 2.0, try searching your BIOS for PTT or FTPM, as different manufacturers use different names. Step 4. Save changes and restart. After making these changes, we need to save and exit. 1. Press Escape to go back to the main menu. 2. Look for an option like Save Changes and Exit. 3. Confirm by selecting Yes, and your PC will restart. Once Windows boots up again, try launching Valorant. If you still get the Secure Boot or TPM 2.0 error, try these extra steps. 1. Update your BIOS. Sometimes an outdated BIOS can cause these settings to be missing. Check your motherboard manufacturer's website for updates. 2. Check Windows Security. Open Windows Security Settings and make sure TPM is recognized under Device Security. 3. Reinstall Valorant and Vanguard. If nothing works, try reinstalling both the game and Riot's anti-cheat system Vanguard, and that's it. You've successfully enabled Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, and now you should be able to play Valorant without any issues. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.